Hi, hello people, welcome back to Smart Learning YouTube channel. Today in this video, I'm going to discuss about two opportunities from great learning platform. One is related to cybersecurity domain and the other one is related to DevOps domain. Before going to this video, if you want Infosys latest updated exam pattern, watch the previous video or else I'm providing that video link in this video description. And also you can refer Infosys playlist if you want technical as well as HR interview experience. And one more thing guys, if you are very new to our channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you will get all the notifications whenever we posted a video. Okay, then let's get started. Now coming to the details related to cybersecurity domain. HCL Technologies is hiring for the people who are having the knowledge in cybersecurity. The eligible qualification for the cybersecurity domain is only ME or MTech, and that too from the domains IT or CSC. Eligible batch is 2022. Now coming to some other details, the salary will be 6 LPA and there will be no training period for this position. Designation will be postgraduate engineer trainee. Joining location will be Chennai or Hyderabad. Tentative joining date will be June or July 2022. There is an academic cutoff for this. You need to have minimum 65% from tentative or higher qualification, and there is a bond up to 12 months. The selection process will be in virtual mode only, and only 2 rounds will be there in the selection process. The last day to apply for this position is May 15th, 2022. So apply as soon as possible guys. These are all the details related to cybersecurity domain. And now coming to this DevOps domain, they are hiring for the role software engineer. Company name is MAQ Software. Now coming to the eligibility, the eligible qualifications are BE or BTech, ME or MTech and MCA. Only CSC or IT people are eligible from BE or BTech and ME or MTech. All branches are eligible from MCA. Year of passing must be 2020 and 2021. And academic cutoff is 60%. Throughout our academics, you need to have minimum 60% to apply for this role. Now coming to some other details, the salary will be 7.5 LPA to 10 LPA. Based on your performance, they'll decide the exact salary for you. And as I said before, the designation will be software engineer. There will be no training period for this. Joining locations are Hyderabad or Mumbai. The hiring process will be in virtual mode and tentative selection process will be start on 20 May 2022. In the interview process, there will be 4 rounds totally. First round is aptitude, second round is technical round, third round is also technical round, and final round is HR round. All the rounds are elimination rounds. There will be 6 months service agreement for this company. And also once after you join in this company, for the first 4 months, they will deduce 15,000 from your salary, and this deduced amount will be automatically credited in your 6th month salary. There is a service agreement up to 6 months, right? So that because they are deducing the amount 15,000 until the service agreement is completed. And the last day to apply is 15th May 2022. This is a great opportunity guys, so apply before deadline. These are all the details related to 2 openings. I am providing the apply link for both the openings in the video description. So apply before May 15th because the deadline for both the openings will be May 15th. I personally prefer you guys don't miss this opportunity because both cybersecurity and DevOps are trending in these days. That's all from this video guys. Stay tuned in our channel for more latest updates and also visit our website smartlearningyt.in. You will find all the off-campus over there. If you like this video, please like the video and do share the video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Still, if you have any type of questions, feel free to reach us in our Instagram page or Telegram account. Links provided in the video description. Thank you all. Thank you for watching.